Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if this sounds a little bit weird, but we are in the car. I just ran into Dollar General and I wanted to share with y'all how my 5 off $25 scenario worked out. Now, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are in the car. I just got out of Dollar General from doing my 5 off $25 scenario, and I wanted to share this deal with you all. I did have a couple of hiccups. Now, it is raining like cats and dogs here, so hopefully y'all can hear me well enough. So, like I said, I had a couple of hiccups I wanted to tell you all about. I don't know if it's because it's raining and storming around us. The Wi-Fi and the internet is not working very well. So I wasn't able to scan every item. It was kind of hit or miss whether things would go through and the coupons would attach. So that's where my issues came in play. But if you scan your items, if you price check them to make sure that you know the correct price and the coupons match, your transactions will go a lot more smoothly at the register, okay? So basically, what I wanted to do was take that free scenario, and then I kind of made a few adjustments because my store didn't have everything in stock, right? And that's just kind of what we have to do, and that's it gets easier the longer that you coupon. But for the most part, the coupon fairies, coupon gods, whatever you want to call them, and the DG truckers made sure that I had enough couponing products on the shelves to come up with a really awesome deal. Now, like I said, I did have a couple of hiccups, but nothing that I can't return and fix, okay? So, let's get on into this deal. Like I said, I was having issues scanning and seeing if the coupons were attaching. So, I tried to just pick up items that I knew for sure the coupons were working, at least this week, okay? So, here's one. I picked up the Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner. This is 19 fluid ounces. This is Lemon Breeze. These are $2. We have 50% off one digital coupon, so that makes these $1.50. Okay? I picked up the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. These coupons do expire today. So, if you want to pick up this item, this is a great example of yesterday whenever I was looking up prices and all this good stuff for the scenarios that I gave you all. I put down that these were $5.50. But at this store that I went to today, these are just $5. So we have a 2 off 1 DG store coupon and we have a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon. So that makes these just $1. Alright, so great item to throw in with your transactions. Next up, we have Garnier Fruit Tea Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. These are $3. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that makes these just $1. I did the Axe deal again. We have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend 6 on Axe products. So, we have a 2 off 1 coupon that came in the Unilever insert for the Axe hair product. Right there, that one is. And then we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the deodorant. So, make sure that you scan the deodorant first so that that 150 off 1 Axe product digital coupon will attach to the deodorant, alright? Then, scan up your hair shampoo last. So, that works out to be $1 for both of these items after all of those coupons are have applied. Then, we have the Febreze plug-in. Now, I have not been able to find these for 2 weeks, but this store, magically, 3 of them appeared on the shelves, so I picked up one. These are still $3 on sale. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that makes these completely free. Alright. Next up, oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Here's my mistake, okay? So we have this Colgate Glitch. This is the Colgate Cavity Protection found in the dollar aisle. Earlier this week on Sunday's video that I've uploaded, I picked this up and the $2 coupon was working with this toothpaste. So that was giving me $1 in overage. However, that glitch must have been fixed because, like I said, I was having issues scanning products. The internet is in and out, and I am kind of in a rush today. I'm trying to get home. We're doing a little bit of a remodeling, spring cleaning, clean out before before winter hits. I'm a little late on the spring cleaning, but you know, I've been working on it. Anyways, so like I said, this was glitching and working on Sunday, but I think it's just the storms, and I'm just not getting great service with my phone and stuff. I wasn't able to scan this to make sure, but I did for sure have that coupon on the account that I was using. What I did was I pulled up the account that I wanted to use today. I screenshot all of the coupons that I wanted to try to use so that I would know for sure that those were on there, okay? So, the 2 off 1 Colgate coupon did not work for me on this toothpaste. So, if you guys have been able to take advantage of that glitch today, this is the last day because that coupon does expire today on Saturday. If you guys were able to pick up the $1 Colgate, please let me know which one that you picked up and if it worked for you, okay? Because I have seen other couponers pick up the smaller boxes, tubes of the Colgate toothpaste found in the dollar aisle. I think there's like a little black box, a pink box, a blue box, but again, I wasn't able to scan those today, alright? So that was the only coupon that did not work as far as digitals go, okay? But I am going to take this back into the store because I was over that $25 subtotal mark. So I can take this back in and it's not going to affect anything, alright? So I will take this back and get my money back, alright? So there's my little mistake for the day. But again, if you scan your items, if you can price check, write those down in a notebook and then add everything up once you get, you know, to... picked up, you know, once you've picked up what you want to put in your scenarios, go through your little list that you've written down, and then you can add everything up. Alright, like I said, we went over the Febreze plug-in. I did pick up the Colgate 6.0 ounce cavity protection. This glitch is still working, and I do believe today's the last day for that coupon. So, these are $1.75 each. They are on sale 2 for $3. So pick up 2 of them at $3. The third one is going to be $1.75. So 3 of them puts you at $4.75. We have that 5 off 3 digital coupon making these free, plus giving you 25 cents in overage. Alright, so take advantage of that deal if you still have that coupon. Next up, we have a Suave deal. Now, we have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend 6 on Suave products, okay? If you can find 3 of the lotions, it will work out better and it will be easier to do an all digital Suave deal. They only had 2 at this store, and again, make sure that you're scanning, because at the store that I went to in Wednesday's video, these were $2 each, but at this store they are $1.95 each, okay? So picked up 2 of these. Like I said, we have that 2 off 6 DG store coupon. We have a 2 off 2 for the Suave lotion manufacturer coupon. I picked up 3 of the $1 deodorants. Suave, this is 1.2 ounces. These are $1 each. Okay, we have a 40-cent off 1 digital coupon. Sorry, the rain is picking up. We have a 40-cent off 1 digital coupon that is working with the $1 Suave deodorants. So, I wanted to try this insert coupon that came in the Unilever. This is 50-cent off 1 Suave deodorant. It does say excludes twin packs and trial and travel sizes. This isn't in the trial or travel size section, but it does not work, unfortunately. Okay, so this 50-cent off coupon does beep. If you have a nice cashier, they'll push it through for you, which mine did. So that worked out to be really a blessing. If you get those kind of cashiers, make sure that you fill out those surveys on the bottom of your receipt and brag on them, okay? We want those nice, friendly cashiers to stick around for a while, right? We want them to have a good job, get a raise, whatever it may be, because they help us out. So she did push 2 of these 50-cent off 1 coupons through for me. Now, Had everything worked out perfectly in this deal, I should have received, it should have been completely free, plus given me 25 cents toward my taxes. But because this did not work, this glitch right here did not work, it kind of threw everything off. So let's go over my receipt really quickly. We've got, sorry, this is about the two or three times I've tried to get through this video. So let's try to get through it real quick. Alright, so we've got the Colgate up there at the top, the 175 Colgate. There's that $5 digital coupon. We've got the Colgate Anti-Cavity from the dollar aisle. No digital coupon applied there. We have the Febreze plug-in for $3. Digital coupon for $3, making that free. The Lysol for $2. 50-cent off Lysol coupon right there. We have the Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner for $3. We have a $2 coupon for that right there. We have the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara for $5. We have a $2 store coupon that shows up as a store discount. And we have a $2 manufacturer coupon that will say digital coupon right there. Alright. Here we have the Suave lotions for $1.95. There's a 2 off 2 Suave manufacturer coupon. We have another Suave lotion right here, and we have 2 store discounts. So one of those is the store coupon, and the other one is the 5 off 25. Okay. There's the $1 deodorant. There's the 40-cent Suave digital coupon right there. $1 deodorant. Manufacturer coupon. So she did pin this, she did key this one in for me. 50 cents off there. And 50 cents off there. Here's the Axe. We've got the Axe deodorant for $2.50. There's that $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. We have Axe men's shampoo for $4. And there's that $2 manufacturer coupon. So my subtotal was $1.75 for 15 items. So that is a really great deal. Again, even though I had a couple of hiccups, I'm not complaining. That's an awesome deal. Again, I am going to take this one back in because I really didn't need it. I was just throwing it in for the overage, right? And we have enough free toothpaste as it is. So I don't want to pay another $1 for toothpaste that I do not need. So I'm going to run this one back in. And that would bring my subtotal to 75 cents for 15 items, or for 14 items, sorry. So that's a really great deal. I'll be happy with that because honestly, I do not need any more toothpaste. And then also, I'm going to scan this receipt into the Fetch Rewards, and I'm going to get 1,000 points back for this Axe deodorant right here, okay? So that will make this transaction completely free, plus a 25-cent moneymaker. So I think that is an awesome deal. Very happy with that. Let me show y'all my savings here. Make sure I'm not showing y'all any important information. So total savings, $30.90. I think that's a great deal. It's awesome. And I really got lucky today with the products being in stock. Literally, there was one of these Axe hair shampoos left. There was 3 of the Febreze plug-ins. So I did get lucky on a few of those items. And then the 2 Suave lotions, like I said, you know, I know that a lot of y'all are having issues finding products with your coupons to match up with for Saturdays. So hopefully this gives you guys a few more ideas and different ways that you guys can kind of take my scenarios and make them your own. Again, I went in with that scenario screenshotted on my phone. That's the exact products that I was going to get. But that doesn't always work out. We kind of have to mix and match and throw in different items to try to get a low out-of-pocket deal, okay? Alright, so that's it for me for now. I am going to run into Walmart really quickly and try to get home before I get completely rained out. It is raining like crazy. Hopefully this video wasn't too all over the place for you guys. And I hope that you guys are having a great day, whether it's raining or the sun shining where you're at, whatever it may be. Hopefully you guys are out getting some really great deals. And if you are, if you plan on going, or if you've already been, and you're watching this video later, please let me know how y'all's 5 off $25 scenarios went today. Let me know if you're having issues still finding items in stock. Let me know if you had any issues with any kind of coupons. Oh, another thing. The Craz-E travel-sized glitch seems to be working for some people. So, it's not working for me in my area, but it may be for you. So, if you need another filler item, I told you all in, not the last video, but the video before that, I told you all that that glitch was no longer working. But it seems to be working for some people. So, make sure that you scan that. If you need another filler item, just run over to the travel section, scan those and see if it's working in your area. That may be a your miles may vary kind of deal, all right? Also, another note on the Werther's glitch. I went into a store yesterday. I picked up 7 bags, okay? That's all that they had left. I did put, scan 2, put the coupon up, scan 2, put the coupon up, scan 2, put the coupon up. I ended up paying $2 and some change. So I'm pretty sure that glitch is still working because the 7th one did show up as minus 99 cents, if that makes sense, all right? Y'all let me know. I think that sale, buy 3, get 1 free, does end today. So I know that I answered a couple of y'all's questions on that this morning. So if you're still wondering if that glitch is still working, I'm pretty sure that it should still be working today. If anybody has a for sure number, the store that I just went into right now was not tagged and they didn't have any more in there. So if anybody knows when that sale ends, can you please leave that down in the comments below, and I'll leave that in a pinned comment whenever I find out for sure, all right? Okay, enough of my jibber-jabbering. Good luck, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from y'all. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.